Welcome to MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. Today we bring you a 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Just a beautiful boat. Great attention to detail on the Sea Rays. They've been around since 1959. It's just an absolutely gorgeous vessel. Take a look at this, folks. That two-tone paint. And that navy blue is absolutely gorgeous. This has the white Verado engine, 300 horsepower. It's absolutely gorgeous. Has sea deck throughout. The rear platform back here has lounge seating, faces aft, swim platform, remote, Mercury radio. Also has a freshwater shower. Has the dove gray interior. It's placed there for table, in-floor storage. The seat backs do flip for rear face chaise lounging. Simrad fusion radio with Sirius XM. Head compartment, out pushes with tons of storage underneath. Again, this is a 2020 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck. This is CJ Jenkins. Please come and see us here at MarineMax Gulf Shores. 850-292-1559. If you have any questions, please reach out.